Alright, September 26, 2024. Alright, I called from a guy. I worked at his house about a year and a half ago. Did some work over there around the boiler. Or his water tank or well water tank or something. But anyway, he's calling me. There's a leak above the boiler on a half-inch water line that's dripping down. He says that the last guy was there did some of the ProPress stuff. I'm probably gonna have to go to shut the water off and cut out what's bad and replace it. Probably should stop and grab some half-inch pipe. I'm running a little low on it. It's half-inch copper, he said. We'll try to get you some shots when I get over there. Was a press queen in here. Pro presses.
That's a couple of years ago.
Alright, so what's leaking?
Over here, let me move over so I can show you. Right here. I looked up here. See the green on the line?
Oh, yeah.
I don't even know what, I haven't been in here like for a while. When I came in here, I was looking at this.
That's the hot water. That's the recirculating line for the hot water.
Okay. Yeah.
That's kind of weird.
Okay.
Oh yeah, it's right there. You got a piece there and you got a piece there.
Yeah.
I should be able to cut that and put cut that and cut it there. Got that clamp out of there.
Yeah.
That's the hot water.
No, when I say I'm embarrassed because I haven't maintained this. I came down yesterday to turn the boiler on to see what was going on.
Yeah, it's definitely leaking there. I could see it. Yeah. So why don't we do that? Well, I'll cut it there. And I'll cut it here.
I saw this and I said, what the hell is that?
Yeah, all right. So I'm going to shut the water off and drain it.
Okay. You want me to shut the main valve?
You got this hose here coming in somewhere. Yeah, let's shut the main water off.
Okay. Cheryl, I'm shutting the water off.
Yeah, we'll shut the main water off and then we'll go upstairs and we'll open up all the faucets.
This job you did is still cherry, by the way. When you worked on this thing.
Alright, so that's
now
off.
I got a little drain valve here.
No,
like
we'll just we could open it up outside too, right there, see there?
Oh, okay.
Open that up.
Alright.
And I'll open up outside and then just go
There's a faucet right in the back of me right against the wall here, outside.
Oh, there is?
Yes, like where the hose runs to. You'll see it.
Yeah, we'll just open it and then we'll open up all the valves upstairs.
Alright.
Right here. Yeah, open up all the valves and leave them open. Flush the toilet, shower, everything. Open everything up. All right, I'm gonna get some fittings. We should be able to do that easy enough. So you got everything open now, right?
Yes, everything upstairs open. I flushed the toilet, everything. And if you need anything, just give me a yell.
We'll be good.
Not much I can do to help you. Don't be afraid to use this for a tool bag.
Best thing you can do is just stay out of my way. How's that sound?
That's where I'm going. I'm out. Alright? I can't waiting for you anyway.
Yeah. We'll cut that. Cut it right out of there. And the old press queen.
That must have been about 3 or 4 years ago or more, Steve, when I came over for that. I had a lot of little leaks,
Yeah, there's a little water coming out. Could be worse. Could be at my house.
Oh, yeah.
Yeah. Worse. Yeah. Go. That thing's all flipping plastic shit. I don't know. Shit's not looking the greatest, is it? Hopefully I can cut that. Hopefully I cut that and get something in there. See if we can clean them two fittings. And here's a crusty one. I don't know. Looks like a bad piece of copper or something. Should be able to just clean it and solder it on there. I'm open. Have to put a piece in the and find out. It wants to be 11 and a quarter or so. We'll bleed a coupling. See if I can solder it up. Yeehaw. Yeehaw. Can you guys even see that? the smoke alarms work.
Need any help, Steve? Need any help from me?
I need all the help I can get. Ain't that the truth? Yeah.
I haven't been able to work in a yard for over a year.
Why don't you go upstairs, have your wife shut all the valves off upstairs?
Okay. Cheryl? Shut the sink valves off, the tub valve. Okay?
Shut everything down, yeah?
Shut everything down, honey, like it's off.
Yeah, I already did.
Well, try it, check it again. Check it again, just leave them shut off. Steve, my wife's losing it a little
Is
bit.
that what you call a honey?
Yeah, it's all right, but I
Huh?
mean, she's losing it a little bit, you know. So you can't trust what she's doing. Just so you know. If you need anything, you just yell. I'm getting out of your way.
Oh.
I don't know why they put that drain valve on right in that spot.
Yeah, that's kind of a shitty spot. But
That was a pisser when you did that.
what can I tell you?
Alright, this is closed.
Alright, I can turn the valve on and see if I got any leaks. Really? It's pretty bad. It's crusty. Hopefully I don't have any leaks. We'll find out, I guess. I think the tank's filling. Hopefully I got no leaks.
I'm embarrassed I didn't see that going when that's how little I've been in here.
What is it?
You're supposed to shut them valves off.
Shut everything off.
Come on, Cheryl.
She's done?
Wait a minute, now she's getting it. Get everything off.
You gotta open up the tub valve on hot to get the hot out of the tank, because I drained the tank.
She had it all the
Yeah.
way open. So hot.
Can you run the hot in the tub just to get the air out of the tank, ma'am?
Yeah, I bet I could do it.
Can you run just the hot water in the tub, because there was air in the tank, just to get the air out? Just the hot in the tub, and once the water starts, once you get all the air out of the tank, you can shut it off. There should be air coming out.
No, I don't see any,
You want to go do it?
Yeah. I'll open the valve.
Yeah, just open it to get the air out, because I drained the tank down, there's air in there. I want to get all the air out.
Alright. Shut it off.
A while
We're
ago.
getting a lot of exercise today. Is everything going well?
Never a dull moment, that's all I could say.
Don't give me any bad news now. Hey, when I was a young guy, everybody wanted to be a plumber. Are you done, Steve?
Yeah.
I got a check.
Alright.
You just have to fill it out.
Yes.
I'm gonna need that card to spell your name.
Oh, I can leave you a
Do
thing.
you want me to leave that pot blank? Fill out your name pot.
Place water line. Oh, it's not leaking.
I'll let you fill out the name pot, okay?
It's not leaking, so that's good. You want it off?
No, you run it.
Yeah, why did I don't know why it was off.
Well, I turned it off because, I don't know, just because you were coming.